Trancas House was originally designed in 1985 by Lorcan O'Herlihy for his parents. 30 years later, the home was completely destroyed in the Woolsey Fires that swept through Malibu in November 2018. After the devastation, the owners reached out to Lorcan O'Herlihy Architects, LOHA, to design a new house. The opportunity to bring the home back to life, this time incorporating strategies to withstand future wildfires, was an extraordinary experience. And so, Trancas House rose from the ashes. To take full advantage of the sweeping hillside views, the house is organized along two intersecting axes that meet at the central entry hall. The layout separates public and private spaces. On one side of the main house are the kitchen, dining, and living areas. On the other side are 3 bedrooms and a den. The new design uses an indestructible structure made of board-formed exposed concrete, replacing the traditional wood framing and stucco cladding. Completed in 2024, the house was unaffected by the recent Palisades fire, which claimed 12 lives and destroyed more than 6,800 structures. Floors, roofs, and walls are all concrete, and the windows are framed in black metal. The house has no attics or flammable eaves, and all ventilation openings are covered with ember-resistant screens. Sprinklers were also installed throughout the interior. The house follows much of the footprint of the original residence, which helped accelerate the approval process through the Malibu Building Board, allowing the owners to return as quickly as possible. The landscaping, developed in collaboration with local designer Michael Boyd, was planned to slow the spread of fire. The site includes a turnaround space for fire trucks and hose connection points. The property includes the main residence, a detached garage, and a guest house. The house features several rectilinear skylight towers, incorporated to harness the unique quality of Malibu's natural light. These elements play a key role in both the interior experience and the exterior composition. A sculptural metal pergola leads to the front door. Upon entry, one can see straight through the house to the pool at the rear, positioned at the edge of the canyon. A perpendicular axis frames the ocean view, drawing the eye through the living room toward a large picture window that captures the landscape. you.